feel like a bad bitch. You see my hair? I feel like a bad bitch with her. Poop. Bloop.
Hey, who said that? Who said that? Who said that? Who had been saying that? Who said that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I am doing a video to get my hair in order. Cardi B posted a video the other day on Instagram. She showed the protein treatment that she puts in her hair. I just took my braids out yesterday. I went to sleep. I didn't comb it out, so it looks real dry and it looks rough. So I want to try the protein treatment that Cardi B did. So I went. Most of the stuff I had, some of the stuff I just went and purchased. So I'm going to show you the things that I have, and we're going to make this hair treatment and bring my hair back to life, okay? So we're going to be using avocado oil, that, extra virgin olive oil, half of an avocado because I used the other half for my protein drink, plain Greek yogurt. She used mayonnaise, but I hate mayonnaise. I don't like the smell of it, so I'm not putting that in my hair. So I'm using the plain Greek yogurt. I have 1 egg, banana. She used honey, black Jamaican castor oil, whatever. And I have the Shea Moisture 100% pure argan oil. I don't know why this stuff. There we go. And I have my shower cap, my bowl that is going in, my NutriBullet is ready. So let's make this concoction. So I hope it works, because if so, I'm putting it in my son's hair. Going first. That's how I do it. Comes right off. My avocado in. Half of an avocado. Let me tell you, I used to not like avocado. Now I love it. For my shakes, I make avocado toast. I'm gonna do a video on what I eat in a day. That avocado toast is something good. So I got the plain Greek yogurt. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put the whole thing. Maybe a tablespoon. I guess that's enough. So I put a spoonful, a big spoonful. Teaspoon, tablespoon. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of avocado oil. A tablespoon of olive oil, because I need oil. My hair is dry. And I think if this works out, I think I'm gonna do this once a month or twice a month, because I'm about to braid my hair back up. So after I take the braids down, I'm gonna do it again. A tablespoon of the Jamaican black castor oil. This is mango and lime. That in there. I have the Shea Moisture argan oil, tablespoon of that. I don't have no smell. That in there. Honey. I'm not putting a whole bunch of honey in my hair, I'm sorry. So I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of honey. Egg, 1 egg. And I'm going to do half of the banana. And I think that's everything, right? Yeah. Then we're going to mix this cute stuff up. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to put more avocado. About to scoop. Alright, not bad. I suppose they said so it looks smooth. Alright, so you saw the measurements that I use. This is my outcome. You could use the same measurements or you can do your own measurements. But this is what it looks like. This is my outcome. Doesn't have really a smell to it. Okay. See my hair. I'm gonna comb it out. I don't know why I'm so nervous to comb my hair out. Show you another thing that I've been using for hair growth from the hair kitchen is rosemary and peppermint hair growth. You see my hair? I have so much hair. And I do my weaves, and I do my braids, and I still got my edges. You see? You see my hair so dry? So, let's see. We're gonna split 4 ways and put the treatment in my hair. My hair is so dirty. I'm going to part mine and put some using my fingers. You see that? I definitely want to get my ends. Might be on the second, people. Alright, I'm gonna put this through my whole head, so just watch. Alright guys, this is the last one. Alright guys, so this is my finish. So, I'm gonna let it sit for 4 hours. No, because I had to take, my son got this football thing today. So it's 12 o'clock. So I'm gonna let it sit until like 2 o'clock, so 2 hours. See you in a minute. Alright, so I washed the avocado hair mask out, the treatment out, protein treatment, whatever you want to call it, hair concoction. So I washed it out. I used Tresemme, this, and this. It has biotin. This is the conditioner. So I used those two for my shampoo and conditioner. So one thing I'm gonna say, whoa, is my hair felt real soft and oily. It didn't feel dry. Like it feels soft. Like, I don't know, it just feels oily, it doesn't feel dry. So now I'm going to comb through. I have to make sure I got everything out. Also, when you blend, oh my gosh, when you make the avocado mask, when you make the protein treatment, make sure you blend your avocado good, because you don't want the chunks, because once them chunks get in your hair, it's gonna be hard to get them out. So you want to make sure you wash it, like it's mixed well, and you want to make sure you wash it out, wash all of it out. You don't want that stuff left in your hair. So now I'm going to blow dry my hair. So I'm going to blow dry my hair. I'm going to use this Cantu Thermal Shield hair protectant. I got my hair clips. I got my brush that I use. I act like I'm in the Dominican shop, okay? I don't usually wash my own hair. Like, I don't have patience for it. I go to the Dominican, but can't go there right now, right? So I'm left to do my own hair until I get it braided again. But I'm feeling this whole thing that I just used, so I'm definitely going to use it on my son's hair. Probably today, because I need to wash it and braid it. So this is what I do. Go piece by piece, and I blow dry. I'm bugging. You want to protect, you ain't just do that hair mask to cause heat damage to your hair. So I'm not trying to put a lot of heat in my hair. Alright, so part, piece off. My brush. So that's what I do to my hair. You want to try to get the roots as straight as you can. So when you get ready to flat iron, you don't have to put so much heat. And believe it or not, like, there's some shine. Come on, light. There's some shine. Doesn't look dry. Okay. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. So I'm going to do this throughout the rest of my hair. I'll be back. You jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Look at this. It's not dry. It looks bouncy, not dead. You see this? You see that length? The ends need to be clipped, but this is, I'm doing this every time, every 2 weeks. And my son's gonna be mad. My chest is all red from the blow dryer. My son is gonna be mad, but I'm doing his hair tonight. And I'm about to try to convince my boyfriend to do it. Look at this. Shout out to Cardi B though. Okay? Alright, so next I'm gonna flat iron. I'm not gonna record that part because now I'm in a rush. It's 2:03 and my son has to be to this football camp at 4:30. And I don't feel like being rushed. Okay? Because if we're late because of me, I'll never hear the end of it. So I'm gonna flat iron my hair real quick and then I'm gonna come back once that's done and show you guys the finishing result. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Yes, subscribe to my channel. You know the deal. Like, comment, and subscribe. More videos will be coming your way. And let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Road to 1,000 subscribers. We can do it. I got faith.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so I am finished with me hair. Look. So this is my hair. You see it has shine and I didn't even put anything in it. I only used this. The thermal shield. I didn't put no oil in my hair. Nothing. It's just from washed and this. And there's shine. It don't look so flat. Like, I'm happy with this. See? See it here? I just need my ends clipped. I don't know if I'm gonna experiment that much. I don't know about cutting my own hair, but this is my finished touch. I only have to go through one time with the flat iron, not multiple times. So I'm definitely going to do this again because I do like the outcome. So guys, if you try this or you have a technique that you use for protein treatment for your hair, comment down below and let me know what you do. But don't forget, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. You know the deal. Until next time, be safe, be healthy, be blessed.